Galvanometer, a sensitive electrical instrument which detects current in a circuit. Generator, a machine that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Gold leaf electroscope, a sensitive instrument used to detect electric charge. Grounded, an object connected to a conducting wire, a copper pipe buried in the earth. Half-life, the time during which half of the unstable radioactive nuclei disintegrate. Hardware, the parts of a computer that we can see and touch. Information technology, the scientific method used to store information, to arrange them for proper use and to communicate them to others. Internet, a computer network which spreads all across the globe. Isotopes, the elements with same atomic number but different atomic mass number. Information and Communication Technology, ICT, it is concerned with the scientific methods and means to store and process vast amounts of information instantly. Information storing devices, devices used to store information for later use and benefits.